Welcome to Sparkle with Jyoti. And first of all, let me wish you a very happy Valentine's weekend. Tomorrow is Valentine's, and today I have just come outside. I thought of we thought of having like a good lunch outside, and yeah, it's extremely sunny today. It's a very good day, but it's extremely cold too. It's not that cold today. Yesterday was really chill. Today it's like -6, -7, and it's quite manageable. It's quite pleasant actually if you're wearing the right kind of clothes. And I just wanted to show you something. If you see, this is an entire lake, and as you can see, it's completely turned into ice. So it's really pretty and a rare sight because I don't think so. It has been that cold in the last few years here, like from the time I have been. So it's really pretty, and I hope you have good plans with your loved ones and you are having a special time or gifting each other. Or the gifts are not important. It's just like you should spend some time together and take some time off from the routine regular things what you do and just have fun. So I hope you like this. This is a they have two restaurants actually. They have like an Indian restaurant as well as like a vegan Swedish restaurant. So I thought I will try the other one because Indian usually we always try. So I wanted to try something different. So I'm taking you guys along with me to this restaurant, and I hope you like the menu and everything. I'm trying this food for the first time, so it's going to be really first impressions. So I hope you like it, guys. So let's go ahead and have some lunch. So guys, as you enter the restaurant, you can see here you can pay the bill first, like you can pay, and then you can go ahead and have all the your plate filled basically. So there are two floors, so you can sit at the this place as you can see here, or you can go upstairs as well. The ambience is really nice and it's quite comfortable and spacious. And here you can see here all the food, everything is placed here, and the ingredients and the list what they have put inside is already mentioned near each and every table. So it will be easier for you to understand what ingredients are used. And the speciality of this place is that it's completely vegan, gluten free, lactose free, and all the good things what you want. So this is one of the very good and popular vegetarian restaurants in Gothenburg, and people love the food. And as you can see, they have so many options. If you want, you can choose drinks as well. So there is wine, there is cider, and all sorts of things. And there's also I hope you can read and understand. So they have today, but potatoes is potato soup, and these are all kinds of extra additional things if you want to add. And yeah, so starting this buffet, they have these potato wedges and rice, and this is soup, lasagna, and then followed on with dressings as well. So different types of dressing, and mixed with, like, hummus and yogurt and salads. This is a pasta, and this all things are available. It's really very nice and filling, as well as there are fruits. As you can see here, this is a mango salad which my daughter absolutely loved, and she ate like a lot of it. And then there is this cauliflower and salads, and this is the chutneys or the dressings, which you can see here. So yeah, all in all, it's a really good, and as you can see here, it's quite crowded, as you can see, and a lot of people have lined up to fill up their plates. So guys, right now I am in a restaurant called Andrum, and it's right in the heart of the city at Prince Parkin. And I've just filled up my plate, so let me show you what I have taken. And basically they have buffet system, so there is like a buffet with soup and buffet without soup, so you can decide accordingly, and the prices are so reasonable. You won't believe, it's like hardly like 105 SEK. And in that you get everything. You get soup, you get bread, you get rice, you have lasagna, and you have salads. You also can have coffee later on if you want. So I think it's a complete meal and dessert as well. So yeah guys, I'm going to just dig in and have my lunch. Guys, this is the plate. It looks less because I took a little bit less quantity, as I had like a little breakfast earlier. So as you can see, we have soup here, you have rice, and you have potato wedges, you have lasagna, and you also have bread, you have pasta, you have salads, and also there are a lot of chutneys which I completely forgot to take, so I'm going to go back and take it. But yeah, this is the complete plate. It's really yum. Do you like, Anvika? Anvika, do you like your food? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Good.
Bread is delicious.
Yeah. And the lasagna is also quite nice and fresh. Mm.
I'm not eating the lasagna.
Yeah. Okay.
Clean my plate.
Also guys, I wanted to update you that they have an amazing offer going on. So right now they have like 50% off. So in the other restaurant which I mentioned, that's Indian Bistro, they have 50% off. So if you're eating for two and just paying for one. And here also they have like this amazing offer with 50%, and they have tie-ups with all the amazing food delivery food delivery companies like Fedora and the Ford. So you can book your table and you can get every day there are different kinds of discounts. So if you're coming like after 3, just check out their page. They have amazing offers going on every day. So why not to avail this offer and have amazing food for half the price, right? So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I really feel the food is worth it for the price, and it's right in the heart of the city, so you don't have to travel anywhere, far away for these offers. And the food is really great. So yeah, do give it a try, and if you do that, then do tag me, or just let me know that how do you feel about it.
I don't know what it's like.
Yes, Anvika?
Mama, I want to eat the mango, please. I'm very
I feel like it's a complete package. So you know, it's like the starters, the meal, entire meal, and you have coffee, and the ambience and everything is so really nice. So if you want to bring someone, or even friends, you know, or maybe your family, you can come have a nice time. You can relax, and yeah, I feel the food is really great. And yeah, if you happen to come. If you happen to be in Gothenburg, Sweden, you can definitely visit this restaurant, and do tag me if you like the food. Do let me know how do you like it, your thoughts, and yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to have a cup of coffee now and sit down and enjoy with the family, and yeah, I'll see you next time. So guys, I hope you like this wonderful video and the restaurant review. I hope you give this restaurant a try if you happen to be in Gothenburg, Sweden. And do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Celebrate love. Bye bye. Take care.